The sewing machine requires a new set of skills compared to hand stitching, with moving parts, tensioners, settings, and techniques that can be overwhelming for beginners. In this series of 2 courses, I'm going to walk you step by step the ins and outs of a sewing machine so you can achieve nice stitches like a professional. We'll begin the first course by looking at the different feed mechanisms, machine types, safety tips, the different types of needles and threads before moving on to a very comprehensive guide of maintenance, including oiling the machine and changing the oil. You'll also learn how to change the needle, press the feet, and learn how to use and set an edge guide before finishing with an understanding of the different settings of the machine. In the second course, this is where we'll learn the practical skills of winding the bobbin, threading the needle, adjusting presser foot height, setting the stitch length, learning how to use the tensioners correctly, as well as how to machine stitch from one point to another, including back stitches, and also around corners, arriving at where you started. This comprehensive 2-course series will give you a great foundation and help remove those barriers you might have had about using a sewing machine. Join me for this course and learn how to use a sewing machine.